my loves, welcome yet to another amazing video. Thank you so much for clicking. In case you're new here, welcome to Ayuko Dee channel where we share amazing African village lifestyle. So on today's video, we are going to cook African food. So let me know what you think about today's video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. So into it. We are going to cook green beans, and right now I am preparing the ingredients. And that is green pepper, tomatoes, and onions. In Swahili, we call this thing pojo when it is cooked. And when it is not cooked, we call it dengu. How do you call in your home? Let me know at the comment section. Oh my goodness, guys, on my way home, I came across these beautiful wild animals. They are called ostrich. Anyway, let me know which one is your favorite wild animal. As for me, I prefer monkeys because if you train them well when you are in need, they are intelligent enough to help you out. What about you? Which wild animal do you like most? Now that everything is well set up, let's proceed and place it on the fireplace to get boiled. This is how African village girls do the milking in my area. They usually use a rubbing oil called ngombe or a remis to help in sliding and not to hurt the cow. Now that they are very ready and soft, let's proceed and fry them. Now that our ingredients is well cooked, I'll proceed to add our green beans bit by bit. For rice is ready. Let us add salt and cooking oil. Ace, just have a look at the outcome. Our meal looks very, very delicious. Together, let's enjoy this. You are welcome, my YouTube family. And this marks the end of our video today. Let me know what you think about today's video and where you are watching from. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly consider spreading the love by doing so. Give the video a like, comment and share. Till we meet in the next. I love you all.